At line number 5, we have declared a number variable. It means we are saying that this number variable is declared into our memory. It means it will hold some memory, it will block some memory into the RAM. So, and this is the location of the memory. This is the location where this number variable is declared. This is the location where this number variable blocks some memory into our RAM. Okay, and this is the memory address 88C, and data type of this number variable is integer. So at line number 6, we have assigned integer value 10 to this number variable. Eventually this value 10 will be stored into the memory only. So how value 10 will be stored into the memory? uh, so compiler will find out the memory address of this number variable. So it will go to this memory address C A88C, this memory address, and it will store value 10 at this memory address. So see line number 7. We are printing memory address of number variable. So this memory address of number variable will be printed A88C, and we have stored value 10 at this memory address. So if you want to print value of number, then first the compiler will go to the memory address of number variable. Compiler will come here, and compiler will fetch the value stored at this memory address. Value 10 is, compiler will know value 10 is stored at this memory address. So value 10 will be printed here. And at line number 11, we have declared a pointer variable. So we know this is a pointer variable because this variable name is not starting with the underscore, and it is not starting with the alphabet letter. It is starting with the star. It means it is a pointer variable, and name of the pointer variable is a pointer which is starting with the English alphabet letter. Okay. So at line number 11, we have declared a pointer variable. It means we are saying this pointer variable is declared into the memory. It will hold, it will block some memory into the RAM. And so see, this is the memory address of pointer variable 890. So at line number 11, this memory will be blocked. This location, this memory location will be blocked by the pointer variable into the RAM. And at line number 12, we are saying that pointer variable will store the value of memory address of number variable. So how this line number 12 will be executed? How pointer variable will store this value? So it will go to the memory address of pointer variable. Okay, we have come here. Compiler will go to this memory location A890. This is the memory address of pointer variable, and it will store this value at this memory address. And value of ampersand of number is nothing but memory address of number variable, and memory address of number variable is 88C. So see, in at this memory location, this value will be stored 88C. See, if we are here, we are printing memory location of pointer variable. Here we are printing value stored into the pointer variable at line number 14. And what we what value pointer variable has? Pointer variable will have memory address of number variable, and memory address of number variable is 88C. So here pointer equal to 88C will be printed. So with line number 16 will be executed like this. Compiler will go to the pointer memory address 890. Compiler will come here, and compiler will see 88C is stored into the memory address of pointer variable. So our pointer is referring to this memory address. Our pointer is holding the memory address of number variable. And what's the value stored at this location, at this memory address, at this number variable? 88C is a number variable, and we know number 10 is stored at this memory address. So star of pointer will print value 10. Okay. So then line number 17 is the empty statement. So nothing will happen. Compiler will come to line number 18, and this line will be printed. See here it is printed, and then compiler will see line number 19. It means we are saying that we want to update the value of number variable. So earlier in the memory address of number variable value 10 was stored. So how line number 19 will be executed? So how we can store value 50 into the number variable? So it line number compiler will go to memory address of this number variable here 88C, and it will store new value 50 at this memory location. Now 10 is gone. Now 10 will be gone because 10 is replaced by the 50 value. Earlier 10 was stored at this memory location, but with the execution of line number 19, 10 will be gone. Now new value 50 will be stored at this memory location. Okay. So line number 20, we are printing memory address of number variable. We know memory address of number variable is nothing but 88C. So here 88C will be printed. C 88C. And at line number 21 we are printing value of number variable. So how this line 21 will be executed, how it will fetch the value stored in the number variable? It will go to the memory address of number variable, which is 88C, and it will fetch the value stored at this memory address. So we know value 50 is stored at this memory address. So value 50 is 50 will be printed. See here. And at line number 22 we are printing memory address of pointer variable. So we know memory address of pointer variable is 890. So here 890 is printed, and we want to print memory value stored into the pointer variable. We know memory address of number variable 88C is stored into the pointer variable. 88C is printed. Star of pointer means value of a variable which is referred by the pointer variable, and we know our pointer variable is referring to the variable number, and into the number variable some value will be stored. We want to fetch that value. So how line number 24 will be executed? First it will go to the pointer variable. Okay, memory address of pointer variable, we will come here. 890 is the memory address of pointer variable. This pointer variable is stored this value 88C, and we know this value is nothing but memory address of number variable. See here. And star of pointer means value of a variable which is referred by our pointer. So this pointer is referring to this variable, number variable. We will come here at this number variable, and we will try to fetch value stored into our number variable. And we know 50 is stored into the number variable. 10 is already gone with the help of line number 19. So our star of pointer will also point to the new value, because the star pointer will try to fetch the value stored at this memory address of number variable, and we know that 50 is stored into this memory address. So 50 will be printed. Star of pointer will print 50.